What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Auto hold acts as your brakes pedal. So you're like, what do you mean by that, Artofspeedd? Alright, so let me explain. So auto hold is basically, say you're in stop and go traffic, right? And you want to release your feet off the brake, and you see a button that say auto hold. You press that button, it's going to say activate. Once it activates, you can release your feet off the brake pedal, and all your brake lights will still be illuminated, as in you still on the brake pedal. So that's what auto hold is. To deactivate it, only thing you have to do is put your feet on the gas pedal, and that's it. To do it again, put your feet back on the brake pedal and press the button. It'll say auto hold activated, boom. Some cars does not come with that. Some cars just automatic. So if you apply your feet on the brake, it will prompt you and say auto hold is activated. Once you see that, you can take your foot off the brake, and guess what? It's activated. To deactivate it, only thing you gotta do is put your feet on the gas pedal to deactivate the auto hold. What cars come with auto hold? Audi, Volkswagen, Hyundais, Nissan, Chevy, GMC, and that just name a few. So yeah, some cars, some makes, some models may have the button, some makes and model may not have the button, so it may come automatic or standard on that car. So I know, like on the Chevy Traverse, it's standard. It does not have an auto hold button, but it's standard. So it's like once you apply your brake pedal, guess what? The auto hold is up there. On Hyundais, like the Sonata, that's standard. As in, once you apply the brake pedal, auto hold is activated. Even on some Audis and some Nissans. I have not seen it on a Volkswagen, but I've seen the button on a Volkswagen. And you can activate it at the traffic light. If you are tired or you don't want to hold the brake, guess what you can do? Activate it at the traffic light and do the same thing. Or, you know, who knows, like your boy, man, your feet be itching. You're like, God darn it, I'm trying to scratch it. And you're like, dang, you know, you trying to swap feet to hold the brake pedal and scratch your feet. Yeah. Guess what? That feature comes in handy. You can just press auto hold, take your feet off the brake, and go ahead and scratch away. And you be like, all right, cool. Now put your feet back on the brake or put it on the accelerator when the light change colors. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of Artofspeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.